Look out, red guy, Frank!
Fuck.
You died, didn't you?
Yep.
At least we won't be too far. Shut up!
What the fuck are these guys?
Ow!
I'm grabbing my shit and loading.
Yeah, I just died instantly the moment I grabbed my shit. Oh my god. Alright, I'm not dead. I'm about to be, though. Get out of here. Let's go.
Run.
Where's the fucking... Downhill. It's downhill. Fucker! Bitch! Oh god, I almost shot Kelvin, bro.
Oh god, he had me scared for a second, bro.
Bro, he's balancing a log on his head. That's talent. You should be on America's Got Talent, man.
Here. You drop them here.
Oh. I'm gonna get rid of the locals real quick, and just that way we don't have to deal with them, yeah.
Oh my god. I hate him, bro.
Bitch! There we go.
I hate women like my grandpa.
I'm just sick of their shit at this point. I'm just gonna use this gun till I'm out of ammo. Where the fuck's that camp?
Bro, wait. She's
Ow!
naked. I see
Ow.
boobs.
Ow.
I
Ow.
see boobs with nipples.
Hey, yo, Frank, it would be nice if you stopped getting distracted. Help me out. Never mind. There's a dude behind you. Focus on him. Right this way. Okay, no, maybe we just can't, bro, because where the fuck they can't? Bro, we've killed like 20 of them. This place can only have so many fucking cannibals. The fuck up, lady? I'm sick of your shit. Shut the fuck up, you little fucker. Get out. Back to what I was doing. It's just bullshit that they just spawn infinitely. It's bullshit. Because it appears that that's exactly what they're doing. They're just spawning infinitely. They just killed Kelvin. Where's Kelvin? No, bitch. Stop running. No, it's too late for your bitch ass. You run away.
I need sticks to store logs.
I'm gonna ignore the fact that deer just made one of our logs go underground. Hold up. You want to start up another platform right next to it. We're gonna need another medium. It's gonna be a 2x2 on medium platform, so it's gonna be an 8x8. In reality, careful, there's someone behind you. That way. That way, he's running at you, Frank!
Fucking bitch ass, pussy ass, hoe ass.
Oh, wait, I can't link it up until it's solid. Okay. Franklin!
Fuck!
I can't do shit about it. Hold on.
I'm in my inventory.
Yeah, I'm trying to...
Oh my god.
Respawn.
I hate this bullshit, bro.
Yeah, it's just...
You die a certain amount of times and your axe disappears from your hand.
I'm not even getting annoyed about the... what I'm getting annoyed about is just the fact that they have infinite respawn. Or at least that the respawn isn't set on a timer. Why are the babies here? I killed y'all. Oh my god. These fucking babies, bro.
Well, we killed everybody at the. Oh my god.
Respawn. You really want to try to move through this? Because at this point, this is just a test of our patience if we do want to do this.
I have patience. I don't know about you.
I have patience. I just don't tolerate bullshit. There's a difference. This is a new type of enemy. Sorry, Frank, I didn't know you were dead.
I fucking hate this shit, bro.
Yeah.
You're like a more aggressive Kelvin.
Yeah, it makes me faster. La da da, la da da, la da da.
Nah, Kelvin, bring me more wood. I didn't say you can take a break.
La da da, la da da, la da da, da da da. I like how bro made a fucking porch and then proceeded to make a fucking doorway.
Am I not allowed to?
No, it's just like, bro, you made a porch and said that's how we were gonna get in, and then made a doorway next to it.
That's
At
how
that
houses
point-
work.
No, the porch, the door would be out, like, it would be, oh my god, I'm gonna fucking shoot you, bro.
Bro, that's literally how houses work, bro.
You put the door behind the porch. It's in, you got porch and then door, not porch, and then to the right, there's a door. Because at that point, what's the fucking point of having a porch? Nah, you're actually just rage baiting. You're annoying. I should just shoot, bro. Make him walk his happy ass back here. I really should. Ayo, chat, 50 subs. No, I'm kidding. Also, I don't think structural integrity in this game is a thing.
Yeah, no, I was like, shit, bro, I can remove these logs.
Oh, I can't move these
Wait.
ones. Yeah, no. Oh, I can move this one.
Okay,
Actually, you know what? We'll leave that one there, and the only reason I say that is because maybe we will have to put them if we want to build a second floor.
no.
Are you sure?
Really?
Maybe we should put that one right here, though.
Well, I just like the way this looks compared to how that would look.
Well, like, it's not.
It makes...
geometri-
Oh my god, fine, Franklin, there!
Bob-
There! There! You happy?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks better.
Bro's like, as long as you're pissed, I'm happy. You fucking jackass.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, what was that?
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Sorry, sorry, what was that? Sorry.
Hold on.
What was that, young thug?
What was that?
Sir,
What was that?
sir, stop resisting. Oh, wait, nah. I'm sorry, what was that?
I got a grenade. You got a C4. Oh, I'm sorry. What was that? What was that?
Oh, I'm sorry. Hold up. I'm sorry. What was that?
I'm sorry. Hold on. What was that?
I'm sorry. Hold on.
Hold on. I'm sorry. No. Blah.
Oh, we're idiots, bro. I feel like this is exactly how we'd survive too. Like this is the exact shit.
Oh no!
This thing does amazing on steep ass inclines.
Aside from it getting stuck.
Nah, it gets stuck on the edge. That I understand. It's just because this thing's too low to the ground.
Oh, hey, look, it's a base.
Oh, hi, bud. You're the first
didn't
one
know
I've
that
seen
they
on
could be
land.
here.
Yeah.
Oh God.
That's okay. Just wait until you get to see the big ass thing I had to deal with the other day.
Hey, buddy, you want to make fire? Oh, no, he doesn't.
Ow. I hate how much you hurt. Thank you. There we go. There we go.
I hope you die.
Yeah,
in the fire.
Wait,
Okay.
wait for the fire to go out. Wait for the fire to go out, Frank. You're standing in the middle of it. You're gonna burn.
As you burn.
Yes, I'm the one burning now. Yeah, we wasted so much time trying to get that new place built. But I mean, hey, it's whatever.
How long is winter? Holy shit.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Oh my God, yo. This thing's a beast.
I told you, bro. This thing just climbs everything.
I didn't know we were in a Jeep.
Imagine we built our base up here. We would never have to worry about bandits.
Right.
I think I'm ready to try to climb something that I don't think this thing can actually climb. Unless I did it at an angle, I might be able to do it. Up ahead, you see that, bro? I don't think it will be able to climb that.
I think this thing can, bro. This thing's a beast.
Like at a straight vertical, yeah, maybe, but like I might have to drive it horizontally to get it up. That's probably what I'm gonna do, just to make sure we can actually get up it.
Well, let's see if we can do straight first.
Okay, just straight.
Bro, this thing's a beast.
Come on, you're almost there. Just a little further.
Bro, this is literally a Jeep.
This is a Jeep, but more reliable.
Oh God.
All right, time to go fast.
Time to go sledding in a Jeep. Nah, bro, this is a John Deere.
Hold up, I need to see where we're at. Oh, the
All right,
cave's that way.
torch.
Okay, we're good.
All right.
Right this way. Whee!
Oh God.
Oh,
No.
come on.
Oh my God, we're this angled.
Oh no! Oh no!
Okay.
That almost ended bad.
Gosh, bro.
Oh no. Oh wait, no, I didn't want to hop out. Okay, we're good. We're good. It says it's straight up ahead on my GPS, but on this GPS it doesn't show it. Hold up. Yeah, okay. Fuck it. I'm just gonna trust my GPS, I guess. Hope this thing doesn't fuck us over. Yeah, it says up here on the right. Oh, 2 more vehicles. So there's golf carts.
Maybe.
No, they've got to be golf carts. That's the only thing I've seen with those pingers, unless there's different vehicles. Yeah.
They are.
They're white ones. They're snowplows.
Yo, these.
They're snowplows. Vodka bottle, a note. The piece isn't here. This is the wrong cave. The others are resting below.
There's a rope down.
Yeah. The others are resting below, so chances are we're gonna disturb someone's rest. I found a recipe.
I got too many batteries.
It's a hand clock. What the fuck? It's a hand clock. Oh, that's an amazing pun,
Quite
bro.
literally
It's
a
a hand
hand
clock.
clock.
Yeah. You got first hand and the second hand.
That's amazing.
That's ingenious, bro. I'm pretty sure up here it's frozen. Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. Oh, there's a cabin. Civilization. Maybe this is where we can find a fishing rod. I found rope. Oh, jeez.
This isn't much of a cabin.
A priest outfit is crazy work. I found a priest outfit. Oh, more rope. Yay, fucking... The #1 fucking resource. We don't need it. It's the only thing we ever find. Hi, helicopter. I can't even fucking see you.
Neither can I.
Hop in.
Oh yes, we got a priest and a black guy.
So a priest and a black guy walk into a bar. This sounds like the beginning of a very racist joke. I'm just gonna trust my innate sense of direction and hope it takes us the right way.
What's this green thing right here?
Oh.
Oh, interesting.
What the fuck? Okay.
It said here, let me get you guys.
Back up.
Let me help you guys out.
I'm driving this thing straight off.
Oh my gosh! Yeah, we would have been dead, chat. we caught some mad airtime.
POV, the helicopter ride. As long as it's open terrain, I can manage this thing just fine. Thought I saw something on our left. I was like, what the fuck was that? But nope, I'm just tripping balls. Oh, yes. It's the fucking snowplow, bro. I'm telling you, it's a piece of shit. We were just like, ooh, cool snowplow. No, it's just another thing that gets stuck on everything. What are we looking at? The sun. Okay.
We're looking at Jesus.
Because I was like, bro, that's like a light getting brighter and brighter. Like, is a nuke going off? Like, what
Oh
the
my god, bro, we like met Jesus right here. All right, I'll be right back.
There's cannibals up here? That's insane. Frank! Why do you always have to leave? Franklin, hurry up! Franklin! Franklin! Oh. Franklin! Fuck it. I'll deal with it myself. Franklin! Come back! Get over here behind you, quick! I had to save your ass, you were getting attacked.
I'm coming.
You were being attacked by 3 babies and this fucktard. So you may not be full health. You're probably pretty low.
No, I'm still full health.
Oh, damn.
Fuck you, baby. Oh shit. Yes.
I like how he just eats the whole fucking can of cat food and just put the radio away, man. It's too loud. Yeah. Cause I need to know whether we're gonna cut all this out. No, 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 fuck. Okay, I'm hopping in the backseat, I guess. Whee! Oh no. Oh, I'm hanging off the side of a cliff. Oh, fuck me. No, this is terrible. Oh no. We're gonna fall, Frank. You ready? It's like the
that wasn't
helicopter
too
ride all
bad, you
over
know?
again. Yeah.
At least we're not dead.
Oh, that wasn't that bad. And then just proceeds to. Why are we sliding slow?
Oh, we're good. We're good. We're good.
This is so
We're
anticlimactic.
good. There's snow right here. We're good.
Why?
Oh,
Oh
God,
no.
I was wrong. I was so wrong. Okay. Oh shit. No.
That was like later, I guess. Ah, yes, because I don't want to know what the fuck that was. We're getting out.
No.
Especially if it's the
no.
thing we ran into last time, then I definitely don't want to find out. Because that fucker survived a C4 explosive to the face. Bro, why? We're supposed to stick together.
Oh shit, my
Leaving
bad.
me in the dust.
We'll just walk there.
Yeah, I was gonna say, cause I'm like, I ain't got stamina or shit. I'm gonna put up a tent whenever we get there. Can you actually be in front? Cause you've got the torch. Well, I dropped the lid for my cherry Pepsi. Hold on. Or I mean my non-disclosable soda. They're not a sponsor. And frankly, I don't want Pepsi as a sponsor. Dr. Pepper though.
Hey, look at this. Look at this. Blah. Blah.
Such a waste of ink.
What's that?
What's that?
I wish I could just wear it, bro. If I could just wear it, I'd be perfectly fine.
Yeah.
It's
Look,
a
they're
KKK.
dancing.
Oh.
No, it's the lady. It's the lady. Look.
Wait, you're right. That is what she be doing.
Yeah. Look, this one's got
wait.
double arms,
Yeah,
double legs.
The double legs, double arms, and then she fades away.
Yeah.
Baby.
I'm telling you.
Baby.
I'm telling you, bro. Never take us to a nursery once we get back from this island, bro. We will be sitting there just like, baby, and grab the nearest weapon. It's just like, no, it's our baby. It's our baby. Oh. Baby! Don't mind at night. I know you're seeing that cave and you're feeling kind of brave. Go to bed, you'll be alright. Don't mind at night. That's what this is reminding me of.
It sounds pretty good with these acoustics.
I wonder how this sounds with shitty mic quality.
Oh Oh, that was you, huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, hi, bud.
Go away, woman. I hate women. Get over here, bitch.
Jesus.
I'm a womanizer. Let me get you with my toxic masculinity.
I'll beat the shit out of you. There's a lot more of them. Frank, turn around. Get away from her. There's a lot more of them. Don't die. You're gonna die, yeah. Like, I don't know what you're doing, Frank. There.
I am back.
Bitch! I'm low-key immortal with this armor. Wait a minute. Bitch! Oh, fuck. You tackled me. No, that was a move y'all could do. I thought it was just that one fat bitch that's a raider. Why are they chasing you the moment you get up, bro?
I don't know, bro. It's because I hate women.
And then you got my ass. I'm like, my mama raised me different. They're just being nice to me. They're not even hitting me hard. They're like light tapping me, bro. I'm telling you. They just hate you.
Bro,
Like
there's mad slapping me, bro.
Oh shit, she officially broke my armor. Damn, you broke through that hella quick, lady. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Women just hate me, bro. Women hate me and I
Oh, this
hate
is
women.
one that you can skin. Skin it, skin it, skin it.
I got it.
Okay.
Maybe it's because she was taller.
Yeah, she was also doing this weird spin attack that kept one hitting you. And she demolished my armor like nobody's business, so yeah. This way. Ooh.
More batteries.
And
Ooh,
ammo.
ammo.
And pills.
I'm a drug addict.
Yeah, so
Let me-
we
let
both
me
are,
pop
bro.
some.
What's... See, what's that, bro? Wait, the rope gun. Isn't that where we use this?
Oh, wait, maybe you're right.
Oh.
Yeah.
Look at me, I'm so smart. Hey, Molotov time. Looks like there's two of them. I'll help you.
Stay away.
Look out, Frank! Back
Oh
up!
shit, I'm trying to light it.
Oh,
Shit,
fuck!
behind you.
Fucking Jesus! Fuck, I missed. How about you unpolitely fuck off? Did you kill the other one?
No, he went underwater.
Alright, well, at least we don't gotta deal with the other one.
Oh god, bro, I was like, shit, I'm cool with that. He ran straight into the water. You're right. Oh, hi buddy.
Ah, fuck!
Fuck these babies, bro. Oh shit, let me not get in the way.
Shit.
Are we both dead?
No, you're the only one that's dead. I'm reviving you.
Oh shit. dead again. Okay. This is hilarious, bro.
A whole lot more than this one.
Baby!
Oh, rope. I love how there was still a whole nother way we didn't get to explore yet.
Oh god.
I'll let you climb ahead of me, bro.
Bro, I run out of stamina.
Yeah, duh. I think we're gonna need the metal piece for this.
Oh yeah.
That's what I ran into last time. That thing fucking sucks.
Gun.
Oh, a gun ain't gonna do shit to it. C4 didn't do shit to it.
You're right.
Look how. Yeah, it's fucking terrifying, bro. I've ran into one of these, but it was bigger. I'm distracting him.
Okay, hold on. I'm sorry if this kills you.
Burn, bitch! Look out! Look out! Shit!
I don't like this thing.
Yeah, it's a pain in the ass to fucking kill. Alright, Frank, look up. Die! Fuck!
Oh, you got it?
Yeah. Fucking piece of shit. Yay, no reward for killing that fucker whatsoever.
I know, bro. 8-hour armor. Fucking.
Oh, it didn't touch me, bro. That thing,
Oh,
bro, I'm too slick. I just move back every time that son of a bitch swings. They don't have a very long hitting range compared to what you might think.
I'm just like fucking jumping at you.
Oh, it's dead.
Maybe we need 3 pieces.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Whee! Hey, bud.
So, I hit a few dripstones on the way down and didn't die for some reason.
How fun?
This shit look cool as hell.
Yeah, bro.
I'm not gonna lie. Bro, I would love to do this in real life. On God.
Explore caves? Fuck no.
Why?
You know
like
how easy it
caves?
is to get trapped and die, bro?
Bro, this shit looks so cool.
It looks cool, don't get me wrong, but like most of them aren't safe.
That's why you go to the ones that are safe. Oh, hi, buddy.
You're gonna run at me, aren't you? Yep. Ooh, bitch. You thought. You thought. Oh, you thought, bitch. Oh, you thought. Motherfucker. Ha, you hit like my bitch. Actually, I think she hits a bit harder, bro. I ain't even gonna cap. Yeah, block and then walk backwards whenever he's swinging at you. It's a pattern, bro. Works off patterns. One. Oh no, that's one. That's two. Ooh, that's three. Damn it.
It was not.
Oh, okay. So whack, whack, and then I can. Okay, I understand it now. One whack, two whack. Fuck you. There we go. See?
I made him come. Behind you! Behind you!
Oh, hey, bud. Yeah, another one of you? Round two, bitch? Let's go then. Let's go then. This is showdown. Motherfucker, come on. Have at me. What's up, big bitch? Hey, look over here. Ooh. Damn, even wall blocking. Why, Franklin? Why? In what world was that a smart idea?
I was trying to throw it onto it and it dodged. And
No.
you walked right on top of it.
Oh my god, you're such an idiot. Oh, respawn. Okay, Frank, I'm keeping it distracted. What I need you to do, grab a Molotov. Throw it at him. There we go. Bitch. He's gonna run after you. Maybe that's what we gotta do. Each one of us has gotta take a hit and then the other one go after it. Here, watch. Bitch. Okay, I understand this one now too. You're gonna be an easy fucker to defeat now. Come at me. Oh, come at me, bud. Come at me. There we go. I figured it out. This one has to take a second to do another attack. So let him attack first, immediately swing after he attacks. Oh shit, I'm gonna die. Oh no, I'm good. Okay. Oh no, never mind. I didn't block.
Oh my god.
Alright. Let me deal with the damn prick, alright? I'll deal with him. Where are you, fuckhead? Yeah, that's right. You don't even deserve the term of fucker. You just get fuck-ed. You're a fuckhead. Through and through. Get over here. Come on. Yeah, no, whenever it comes to these fuckers, if we're having trouble, just let me deal with them. They're predictable as shit whenever they're not.
I have a weapon that does more blocking. Oh, what the fuck?
That's new.
I'm sorry, I'm running. I'm not dealing with this guy.
What's up, big fucker? How you doing? Let's see what your attacks are. Come on. Whoa, that's big. Yeah, fuck you too. Stop sucking so much. Oh, fuck, damn. You big bitch. I don't think the thing can see. But he can hear though. That's how we get him. Okay. We gotta make him jump.
Not like that.
No. Make him jump like that. Because then he struggles to get up. Look. All right, move back. Yep. He's gonna charge. You big bitch. Oh, fuck.
I got you.
Be careful. Oh, fuck. Jesus. Oh, we gotta make him jump. We gotta run away and make him jump at us.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck. Jesus.
This guy hits a little hard.
Just let him jump and then move right. I'll move left. Oh, shit.
I was not
Jump at
expecting
us.
that.
Don't stop. Charge. Oh. Yes. Oh, fuck. I couldn't back up in time. How did you still hit me, you bastard? No, he's gonna charge, maybe. Yeah, charge. How, bro? He turned so damn good. Okay, so blocking is the only way to block a charge. Got you. I'm gonna die.
I got you.
Ow.
I got you.
You gonna charge or jump? Charge! Okay, blocking. Blocking's the only way to get rid of a charge. Good to know. Alright, hold up, Frank. Can you distract him for a sec? I could get a frag grenade and maybe bomb his ass. Alright, we need to make him jump at us.
Oh, fuck.
Now you jump, you son of a bitch! How many slices does it take to kill this fucker? Oh, he's low.
He's dead.
Yes. Holy fucking shit, we did it. You should give us a lot more than one for that shit, bro. Fuck.
Holy shit, he did. 4.
Oh yeah, 4. Hell yeah. Okay. Time to pop a pill.
Oh, God.
Time to eat some food. Canned food.
Oh, I didn't even see this over here.
I'm like, bro, you have a flashlight, and yet I can see more than you. Oh, there's enemies down there. I wouldn't go down there yet. I told you.
Oh, it's okay. It's this guy.
Oh, okay. Are you sure he's the only one, though?
Yeah. as of
Okay.
right now.
I'll come down. Oh, bud. Let me block first. Bitch. One. 2. Hit us. Okay, so if it's side, it's 3. If it's up first, then it's only 2. There we go.
Okay.
So, watch. So, let's see if he does a side. Yep, 1, 2, 3, and then you're good. Yeah. There we go. There we go.
Skin this bitch.
Yeah, he kind of broke a piece of my armor. He's just replacing the piece he broke. But yeah, no, side to side, it'll be 1, 2, 3. If it's straight vertical, that means it's just a 1 most of the time. And if it's like a horizontal vertical, then it's 1, 2, and then down. Baby!
Baby! Baby!
Oh, glad to hear the club works on these boxes too.
Bro, this club has a lot of, like, damage.
Oh, yeah. Let's swim at the top for a sec. Now we gotta go down. Oh, look, more skulls and stuff.
Bones and skulls.
Oh wait,
Very
use the
useful.
bones real quick. Make armor out of the rope
Yeah,
and bones.
more bone armor.
Yeah, because we don't need the rope. And
Yeah,
I'm like
we're pretty
4.
suited up.
Yeah, I'm like 4 things away, or 3 things away from max armor.
I'm only 4, so.
I think I might be 4 as well. I hear electricity.
Is that another part?
Probably. Come in.
Yeah.
It's a whole lot of dead astronauts.
Oh, it's a spaceship.
Yeah, I was like, there's dead astronauts.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einstein. That's what
I like how you're saying that when there's a whole bunch of dead bodies. Another part. Oh, I activated some. Oh. I pressed A on this dude and he kind of did some weird shit.
He does. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky.
What's making the electricity?
I wanna go up there.
Bro said, you ever been electrocuted? Cause shit, I wanna. There's a way up. Hey, look, we're going up to see what you wanted to see.
Yay! Maybe that's what these are. They're just electrical conduction.
Oh, rope. I'd say the better question is how the fuck a couple of astronauts got down in a cave all of a sudden with their giant ass spaceship.
Bro. Oh god.
The lightning! Bum bum bum.
The lightning?
The lightning. I saw another rope. Oh, it's right here. You're standing in it. Left. More dead bodies. Bones, bones. Whole lot of bones. Once again, I'm incredibly talented with one hand. My boy got
God,
a
I'm
lot
still
of
holding-
practice.
I'm still holding my flashlight.
I'm still holding this lighter, bro. I almost walked straight back down.
Would not have been good.
It could be worse.
Lose all your armor. Another air tank.
Once again, something I can't pick up because I'm maxed out on them. I am a Stegosaurus. Let's go. On the right. Hell yeah.
But you're far away. I'm standing still, but I can hardly wait.